Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn Unit 2.6 Commutative, Associative and Distributive Law. Let's work Task 1 Part 2. Today we will learn how to solve Let's work Task 1 Part 2. Before doing this part, we have to learn and we have to remember the laws which we have learned in our previous video. Commutative law for addition. In commutative law for addition, we swap the number and get the same answer. For example, 5 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 5. We just swap the number and get the same answer. But the condition is that the numbers must be same. For example, on my right hand side, on my left hand side, I have 5 and 4, and on my left hand side, I have 5 and 4 and 5. So the numbers are same, but we change the place of the number. And when we change the place of a number or we swap the number, we get the same answer. Similarly, in commutative law for multiplication, we just swap the number and get the same answer. 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4 multiplied by 5. This is the commutative law for addition and multiplication. Now, in which we just swap the number and get the same answer. But in associative law for addition, we change the group of the number and get the same answer. For example, in this we have group 5 and 4. On this side we have group 5 and 4. And on this side, on my right hand side, I have group 4 and 6. But the numbers are same. Here we have 5, 4 and 6. Here we add 5, 4 and 6. And again here we add 5, 4 and 6. But on my left hand side, first we add 5 and 4, and on my right hand side first we add 4 and 6 because they are in group. So associative law for addition is, it does not matter that how we group the number, we get the same answer, but the condition is that the number must be same. And similarly, associative law for multiplication, 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 is equals to 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. First we solve 5 multiplied by 4, then multiply by 6. And on this side, first we solve 4 multiplied by 6, then multiply by 5 and get the same answer. Because the numbers are same, we just change the group. And in the last, distributive law. Distributive law, 4 multiplied by 5 plus 6. This means that first we take the sum of 5 and 6, then multiply it by 4. And on other side, we multiply 4 by 5 and then by 6 and then find their sum. Which means that we distribute this 4 into 5 and into 6 and then find their sum. So this is the distributive law where we distribute multiplicand to the addends and then find their sum. Now let's do our task. Let's task 1 and part 2, which is solve and find out the law shown in each of the following. First we have to solve and then mention the law. So the question is 4 multiplied by 9 plus 3 is equals to dash, and 4 multiplied by 9 plus 4 multiplied by 3. First we solve this and then we find that what law shown in this statement. So first we solve it according to board mass. First we solve the bracket. So 9 plus 3 is 12 and then we multiply it by 4. Then 4 multiplied by 12 and 4 12s are 48. Similarly, first we solve the bracket. 4 9s are 36 and 4 3s are 12. Then 36 plus 12 and the answer is 48. And this law is distributive law, because we distribute 4 into 9 and then into 3. First we multiply 4 by 9, then 4 by 3 and then find their sum. So we distribute 4 into 9 and 3. So this is the distributive law. Second one is 7 plus 5 plus 4 is equals to dash. 7 plus 5 plus 4 is equals to dash. Okay. Let's solve it first. First we solve the bracket. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and then plus 7 and 7 plus 9 is 16. Now here first we add 7 plus 5, it's 12. and then plus 4 and is equals to 16. Now we get the same answer, and now we have to see and we have to find the law. So in this question, the law which is mentioned, which is shown, is associative law for addition, because we just group the number and we just, in this statement we group the number and we just change the group of the number and the numbers are same. Here we have 7, 5 and 4. Again here we have 7, 5 and 4. And in the first statement we group 5 and 4, and in second statement we group 7 and 5 and get the same answer. Now the third one is 10 plus 32 is equals to dash and 32 plus 10 is equals to dash. It's very simple. First we solve it. 10 plus 32, it's 10 plus 32 is 42, and 32 plus 10 is also 42. And now we have to find the law. So it's simple, we just swap the number and the answers are same, so which means that this is the commutative law for addition. Now the fourth one is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10 is equals to dash, and then 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10 is equals to dash. Now the law shown here is, first we have to solve it. Now 5 4s are 20 and then multiply by 10, and 20 multiplied by 10 it's 200. Similarly first we multiply 4 by 10, so it's 40, and then multiply it by 5 and we got 200. So the answers are same. And now we have to see the law which is mentioned. So 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10, 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10. Here the numbers are in grouped and the numbers are same, but in grouped and grouped are different, which means that it's associative law for multiplication. The last one is 7 multiplied by 9 is equals to dash, and 9 multiplied by 7 is equals to dash. It's simple, and first we solve it. 7 9s are 63 and 9 7s are 63, and the law shown here is commutative law for multiplication, because we just swap the number and get the same answer. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.